Well, hello there, and good evening, everybody. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area on Walker Road near West Town Commons Shopping Center, about 1 mile north of Exit 80, about a mile north of Union University. Give you an idea of where I'm at. I'm getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next several days shortly. Start off with today, of course. It turned out to be a little cloudy in the morning, a few little light rain showers that moved by and cleared up and turned out to be a fairly decent afternoon, or at least here in Jackson. We missed the storms here in Jackson. They went to our south and to our extreme north. There were some severe thunderstorm warnings early this morning during the 3 and 4 a.m. hours for Shelby and Fayette County. And then I believe there was a little rain here in North Jackson during the 6 a.m. hour. And there's been a few scattered showers and storms to our north toward Kentucky and over into Middle Tennessee around Nashville. And those storms are beginning to move away from that area. There is some to the southwest of us in Arkansas that might affect us later on tonight, but they're more likely toward mid-morning tomorrow morning. We do have a front that's going to try to move through tomorrow morning that will help in that chances for rain. All right, more on the forecast as we go along. For right now, as of 5 p.m. here in North Jackson, the skies were clear. It was a fairly warm day today. The temperature at 5 p.m. was 88 degrees. It felt like 93 degrees. The dew point was 70 degrees. The humidity was 55%. We had northwest winds at 12 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.00 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 74 degrees. Today's high was 90. And by the way, normal high is 90. Whoa! We had a normal high today. Something went right. It was perfectly normal, the high temperature today, even though it felt a lot warmer than that. Matter of fact, the highest heat index today was 99 degrees. And that was at 1 through 3 p.m. when that happened. But the actual temperature was perfect, 90 degrees. Alrighty. I've had 200s. That's all I got this morning during the 6 a.m. hour. 200ths of an inch of rainfall today. Of course, that's the total for July, now that we're in July as well. And I believe it would put me at 28.40 28.41 for the year so far. Alright, today's lowest relative humidity was 53% at 4 p.m. The highest was 94% at 3 and 4 a.m. Today's lowest barometric pressure was 29.97 inches, and that was at 3 and 4 a.m., while the highest was 30.06 inches, and that occurred at 12 p.m. The highest wind gust today at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was 23 miles per hour out of the west at 2:45 p.m. Today's records for July the 1st, and welcome to July, by the way. The hottest time would be 105, and that occurred in 2012, just 5 years ago. Well, it was hot here in Jackson 5 years ago, around late June, early July. My goodness. The coolest high would be 75 degrees in 2013. The warmest low would be 76 in 1990. And the coldest low would be 57 in 2008. Today's rainfall record would be 2.31 inches, and it fell in 1989. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and read to you the forecast for the next few days now, and then I'll move on to the other graphs for you. It looks like tonight we're going to be okay, mostly fair skies for the remainder of the evening. Of course, we had that high, like I mentioned, of 90, which is normal and was projected. How about that? 3 of them in a row, right for once. No, I'm just kidding there a little bit. We did have some scattered thunderstorms around West Tennessee, just not here in Jackson, even though we had a little bit of rain early this morning, like I mentioned. But for the rest of the night, it's going to be mostly fair. It's going to become very cloudy, though, after midnight. We do have a 40% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms from about mid-morning to mid-afternoon tomorrow. And then it should become fair toward about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, roughly in that time frame. And remain fair, of course, for the rest of Sunday night. We should have a low near 70 degrees and a high of 90 degrees tomorrow. And by the way, the sun sets tonight at 8:15 p.m. and rises tomorrow morning at 5:44 a.m. The moon will be setting tonight at 1:03 a.m. and be rising tomorrow afternoon at 2:37 p.m. Alrighty. And now on into Monday. It looks like it's going to be fair skies all day Monday. Good. We're going to have a full day of sunshine. Well, pretty close. With the low near 69 and a high of 88, with southwest winds at 5 to 10. And on Tuesday, Independence Day, the 4th of July, right now, it really doesn't look all that bad, except for Tuesday afternoon. It's going to be very cloudy with a 60% chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms, primarily during the afternoon hours, but some is possible during the morning hours. But all of it should be coming to an end by Tuesday night around 6-7 o'clock and be mostly clear for the rest of Tuesday night. It should not, we should not have any interruption on most of the fireworks shows around West Tennessee Tuesday night. It doesn't look like it, at least at this time. The low temperature Tuesday morning should be about 72. The high should be about 91, and we have southwest winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now on Wednesday, it's going to be fair skies till noon. Then it's going to become very cloudy with a 60% chance of some afternoon showers and thunderstorms, clearing though by Wednesday night, becoming mostly clear, with a low near 73 and a high of 92, with southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And that, again, that's on Wednesday. Now on Thursday, it looks like it's going to be very cloudy once more, with a 50% chance of some more showers and thunderstorms, scattered of course. However, they all should end and become mostly clear before midnight Thursday night, probably 10-11 o'clock. So there's a chance most of the day up to around 10-11 o'clock Thursday night, and then the sky should become mostly clear. We should have a low near 73 and a high of 91, with west winds of 10 to 20. And next Friday, it's going to July the 7th. It should be fair skies with a low near 72 and a high of 93, with west winds of 10 to 20. And next weekend, mostly fair on Saturday the 8th, mostly clear with a low near 72, a high of 93, with west winds at 10 to 20. And next Sunday, I'll go ahead and give you that one. Next Sunday, the 9th, it should be very cloudy with a 60% chance of some showers and thunderstorms, but becoming fair by next Sunday night, kind of similar to this Sunday, actually. Forecast, not a whole lot of difference. With the low near 72 and a high of 89, with north winds of 10 to 20 for next Sunday, July the 9th. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that on the forecast part. And then I need to go ahead and go to the funnel maps with you real quick like. And I guess I'll turn it around so you can see it as well. The camera, that is. And as you can see, there is a front to our north. You see the precipitation, pretty good strong storms to our southwest and south down in Mississippi and over in Arkansas. Some of that's trying to reach our area, but most of it's going east, which will keep it in northern Mississippi. Alrighty. Now you see the front that's making an attempt to come at us. There's the rain, little rain out west in New Mexico and Colorado. And there you see the little bit of rain down in southern Florida, but the northern part of Florida looks perfect. Ideal, clear as it can be. And I know some people down there too that's having some fun in the Panama City area. Good luck to them. Looks like it's raining over middle and east Tennessee and in western North Carolina, and some scattered up northeast. We're okay here in West Tennessee at the moment. Okay. Let me move on to the closer radar view. And this will be courtesy, of course, Channel 3 out of Memphis. As you can see, we're okay here in Jackson. And there were some scattered shower storms up north of us, but it looks like they've dissipated. There's the storms over in Middle Tennessee. They're east of Nashville, east of Murfreesboro, and you can kind of see where they're at. They're moving away from us, so no problems here from those. Now here are the storms over in Arkansas, south of Little Rock. They appear to be moving east, maybe slightly northeast. And there's some up here in north central Arkansas, but they look like they're just floating around. They don't seem to have a certain direction, so they'll probably just die out not far from where they're at now. And these storms, even though they appear to be heavy, I believe they're going to end up staying in northern Mississippi. They'll go through Clarksville eventually, maybe all the way to Oxford. But good luck to them, I guess, over there. But for the immediate term, we're okay, and probably will be till mid-morning, I think it was, tomorrow morning. Somewhere along in there when we might get another shot at it. And here's the satellite view. Looks like Florida is not too bad. Clear as it can be in the northern portions there, and there you see where the clouds of rain is down in Florida. It's scattered east of us, and fair otherwise. There's that blob of storms, if I can use that word, for southern Arkansas and Mississippi. And basically clear across the rest of the southeast, though, which is good news. And the weather's pretty good here in West Tennessee. All right. Well, let me put it back on the radar, and then I'll call it quits for tonight. Let you look at it for just a moment, because I am getting tight on time. But we're okay for now, but I think most of the rain that we get will hold off until, I believe it's tomorrow afternoon, I believe it was. Let me see if I can look back real fast. Yeah, mid-morning to mid-afternoon tomorrow, and we should be in a fair shape there. I had to get back to this one real quick. Alright, I'll let it go at that. Good night, everybody. Sweet dreams. Hope you wake up to a beautiful Sunday, July the 2nd, 2017. And I guess I'll talk to you later. Good night, folks.